Hi, this video is going to talk about adjectives and adverbs. These are two parts of speech that often get confused, and I hope to help prevent that. They're both types of words that describe things. Adjectives describe nouns, people, places, or things, and adverbs describe verbs, which are actions. This video will give us a brief overview. So let's kind of start with a noun here. Car. Car. It's a thing. Not a person, not a place, but still a noun. Common singular noun. And this car is big. Relatively speaking, I guess. If you put your mind, maybe an average sized person would come up to the second headlight. So the car would be quite big. That's a descriptive adjective. Describes one thing, plain and simple. Now we have a second car to talk about. It's a green car, and this is clearly bigger than the blue car. The green car is much bigger than the blue car, maybe twice the size. This is called a comparative adjective. We're comparing two things here. So think comparative, compare, only with two things though. Because then it gets a little bit tricky. We have three things now. We have this red car, which, though the size differential is not quite the same as between the green car and the blue car, the red car is bigger than the green car, and the green car is bigger than the blue car. But when we're talking about the red car in comparison with all three, we say the red car is the biggest of the three cars. This is called a superlative form. Think super, because it's a super big car. So comparative if it's only two, superlative if we have three, as in the red car being the biggest of the three cars. And there could be 10 cars. For example, we could have another little car here, make it maybe kind of tiny. Let's make it brown. And of these four cars, we can still say that the red car is the biggest of the four cars. Just as well. It's still a superlative adjective, and this could go on for infinity. Let's put our cars away. We'll need these guys in a minute. But let's demonstrate this again. First using just these two cars. We have a red car and a pink car, and they're going to race along until they hit this green stop line. We're going to give the blue car a little bit of a head start, and then send the pink car on the way. Off it goes. We'll move that a little bit closer. And the pink car, though being handicapped by not having the head start of the blue car, still makes it to the finish line in ample time to win. So the pink car is faster than the blue car. Now we can put the green car back in the race. Let's start with the blue car, and then the pink car, and then the green car. Green car goes surging towards the lead. Pink car is close behind, followed, no doubt, by the blue car, which finally makes it. So in that instance, we can say that the pink car is faster than the blue car, but the green car is the fastest of all the cars, because there's more than two. So what kind of adjective is this? Fastest? It's a superlative adjective. And faster is a comparative adjective. Now let's talk about adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs. These guys are going to roll. Off he goes, rolling around. And then put him back. And this guy is also going to roll. Those slightly different speeds. So we need to talk about how these guys are going to roll. roll being a verb. It's an action. Let's bring this guy out. Same thing, another little race. We'll give this guy a little head start. Oh, wrong one. Had it wrong. Alright. Off we go, and off we go. And oh, he makes it, and our blue fellow's still catching up. So we can say, get these out of here. The blue boy rolls slowly. The orange boy rolls quickly. Let's see that again. These words describe not the boys themselves, but just how they roll. Blue boy rolls slowly. The orange boy rolls quickly. These words, slowly and quickly, don't describe the boys, but they're describing how they roll. Roll as a verb. Notice that these both end in ly. Most adverbs that describe action verbs will end in ly, so that's a very quick clue about a word if it's going to be an adverb, but it's not definitive. But it's a quick, quick trick for identifying these kinds of words. So there you are. It's a brief introduction in how to identify and use adjectives and adverbs. Thank you.